Hi guys, Kuya RG here. In this video, I'm your fairy event guide. You can do this event quickly and smoothly by making these preparations. First, let's go to the cosmetic and crafting stall. Remember, every 15 minutes we need to craft a glimmering mutation spray. What we need are cleaning spray, orange tulip seeds, daffodil seeds, and mango. And now, you need to prepare these plants for each stage. Stage 1, strawberry glimmering, blueberry glimmering, orange tulip glimmering, tomato glimmering, corn glimmering, daffodil glimmering. Stage 2, tomato glimmering, corn glimmering, daffodil glimmering, watermelon glimmering, pumpkin glimmering, apple glimmering, bamboo glimmering, orange tulip glimmering. Stage 3, watermelon glimmering, pumpkin glimmering, apple glimmering, bamboo glimmering, coconut glimmering, cactus glimmering, dragon fruit glimmering, mango glimmering, pepper glimmering. Stage 4, coconut glimmering, cactus glimmering, dragon fruit glimmering, mango glimmering, grape glimmering, sunbulb, glowthorn, mushroom glimmering, pepper glimmering, cacao glimmering, and finally, the last stage, stage 5, lychee, glowthorn, grape glimmering, mushroom glimmering, pepper glimmering, cacao glimmering, beanstalk glimmering, ember lily glimmering, sugar apple glimmering, burning bud glimmering, giant pinnacone glimmering, elder strawberry glimmering, romanesco glimmering. The player can repeat the quest line by paying 7,500 reward points. Now, I'll show you how to do the quest. We need coconut glimmering and watermelon glimmering. I only have watermelon, but we can use the glimmering mutation spray to make it watermelon glimmering. I don't have coconut glimmering in my garden, but my buddy does. Let's go. Thanks, buddy. Don't forget to do the fairy upgrades. Just do the preparations quickly and smoothly, and you'll get 80 to 100 enchanted eggs in just 4 to 5 hours of grinding. And you'll have a high chance of getting these cool new pets, like the glimmering sprite and the overpowered cockatrice. Once again, this is Kuya RG. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.